In my previous video, I made a tutorial about time farm airdrop, time farm bot, right? This time farm Telegram mining bot. I made a tutorial about it, right? So in today's video, I'm going to be updating you on the current update about time farm. Okay, as you can see on my screen, I have 604,000 time farm right now. Previously, I was having about 20 something million time farm balance, right? I was having about 20 something million seconds. Okay, so let me show you how I accumulate a lot of these things. Okay, so I go here and I have about 36 friends, and I get to claim 20% off their direct referrals, 10% for their referrals, and 5%, 2.5%, and 1.25% for my 5th level referrals. All right, so here I'm going to claim this. I claimed about 600,000. I claimed about 600,000 from here a few hours ago. So now I'm going to claim it again, and tomorrow I'm going to come back to claim more. All right, so you just get to be claiming this thing passively if you have referrals. Okay, another thing I do is I perform series of tasks. I come here every day to check out the new tasks available. So here are my completed tasks, as you can see right here. Okay, completed tasks. Each of these tasks give me over 100,000 per task, right? So here I come back every 4 hours to claim this balance right here. Okay, so I have 20 minutes left to complete to claim these ones, right? These ones that I've accumulated for me, right? So I get to claim about 28,000 seconds every 4 hours, right? So there is a new update on this time farm bot, right? This is the reason why I'm making this video, and it's called staking. If you check right here, you find staking, so you just click on that, and um, you'd find out that they say lock up a certain amount of digital assets for a specific period to earn rewards, right? So when you come here, look at the staked amount I have already. I staked for 45 days, so it's going to be ending on the 22nd of August, and I'm going to be getting. I staked 21, right? 21,235,570 seconds, and I'm going to be getting 35% of that, which is worth about 7 point something million seconds, right? So for you to participate in staking, all you have to do is come here, right here, and click on stake. So you click on stake, and this is select duration. The amount you stake will be locked until the term ends, right? So for 3 days you get 3%, for 15 days you get 10%, for 45 days you get 35% of your stake amount. So you click on continue, select whichever duration you want to stake. All right, okay, so you can select 3 days, you can select 15 days, you can select 45 days, whichever you choose. So you just click on continue, and then you enter the amount you want to stake. If you want to enter 25% of whichever amount you have, like 25% of my current balance is about 160,000, and 50% of that is about 320,000, and max is right. Okay, so let me just use max for instance. All right, and click on continue. Right, so they say staking information is amount 640,940, and duration 45 seconds, right? And average percentage returns is 35%, earnings is 224,000, right? So I'm going to click on stake. I click on stake, and you have successfully started staking, right? So as you can see, I've staked two values right here. I've staked 21 million, and I've also staked 640,000, right? So this is just like a passive way of earning your time farm seconds. Okay, so you can utilize this opportunity to start staking so that you get to claim more at your um busy period. Okay, whenever you're busy, it's claiming for you. All right, so that is basically the latest on this airdrop. So just click on staking and start staking, right? So if you've started staking, just comment your stake amount and the number of days you are planning to stake it. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.